Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're using Newton Finance to buy and sell crypto, you already know it's a great platform, but let's be real, nobody likes paying unnecessary fees. I'm going to walk you through the best strategies I personally use to minimize or even eliminate various fees on Newton, from funding your account to withdrawing your crypto. Section 1. Funding your account, the zero fee method. The first place people often lose money is right at the start, depositing fiat currency. The best choice, Interac e-transfer. From my experience, this is the champion. Newton offers Interac e-transfers for both deposits and withdrawals completely free of charge. It's fast, usually arriving in minutes, and most importantly, it's free on the Newton side. The next best, EFT withdrawals. Similar to e-transfers, these are also free for withdrawals. The fee trap to avoid, wire transfers, for small amounts. If you're transferring a large sum, specifically 10,000 Canadian dollars or more, Newton typically makes the wire transfer free. However, for smaller amounts, under 10,000 Canadian dollars, they might charge a $35 fee. If you're a retail user, just stick to Interac e-transfer to keep your entire deposit free. Section 2. Trading, understanding the spread. Newton famously markets itself as a no-fee platform, but like most, they make money on the spread. What is the spread? The spread is the difference between the price you buy a coin for and the price you could immediately sell it for. That difference is where Newton's fee is built in. My tip for minimizing spread impact: don't obsess over the tiny percentage for small trades. Instead, focus on making fewer, larger trades rather than many small ones. Every time you buy or sell, the spread applies, so consolidating your activity will slightly increase your effective crypto amount. Section 3. Withdrawing your crypto, the key to big savings. This is where you can see the biggest difference in your net worth. Crypto withdrawals involve network fees, gas fees, but Newton has a major advantage. Newton's fee subsidy, the daily free withdrawal. Newton offers a fantastic subsidy. They cover the network fee, gas, up to $5 Canadian on your first crypto withdrawal each day. The strategy: always aim to consolidate your crypto into one withdrawal per day. Check the current network fee for your coin, and if it's under that $5 Canadian threshold, your withdrawal is essentially free. Choosing the right coin, if you have a choice. If you're withdrawing funds to move to another exchange or wallet, sometimes converting to a coin with historically lower network fees can be beneficial. Look for coins like Stellar Lumens, XLM, or Litecoin, LTC. They often have negligible network fees that easily fall under the $5 subsidy, making your transfer effectively zero cost. The critical rule: never make a second crypto withdrawal on the same day unless it's absolutely necessary. You will pay the full network fee on that second transaction, and those fees can be substantial, especially for Ethereum or Bitcoin if the network is busy. Summary of the best ways to avoid fees. Deposits/withdrawals, fiat use Interac e-transfer, free both ways. Avoid wire transfers under $10,000. Trading, be aware of the spread and consider fewer, larger trades. Crypto withdrawals, most important, consolidate to one withdrawal per day to benefit from the $5 Canadian network fee subsidy. That's it for the no-fluff guide to keeping more of your crypto in your wallet. By following these simple steps, you can drastically cut down on the money you lose to fees on the Newton platform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this straight-to-the-point breakdown helps you save some money. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips on crypto and finance. I'll see you in my next video.